Here we have question 18 taken from the 4th of June 2020 GCSE Higher Tier Booklet 2. So the diagram represents a solid cone. The cone has a diameter of 20 centimeters at the base here and a slant height of 25 centimeters. A circle is drawn around the surface of the cone at a slant height of 10 centimeters above the base. So here we have the base, and the slant height there is 10 centimeters, and the circle is drawn 10 centimeters above the height of the from the base. Okay, the curved surface of the cone above the circle is painted in gray, so we can see that it's painted in gray there. Work out the area of the curved surface that is not painted in gray, and give your answers as a multiple of pi. Okay, so to work out the area of the part that is not painted in gray, it would be the area of the large cone minus the area of the small cone. But we need to find the ratio of the lengths on the cone. So let's look at the ratios. So the ratios of the lengths. So the ratios. So we have the slant height for the large cone as 25 centimeters. So I'm going to use that as capital L. And we need to work out the slant height for the length of the small cone there. Okay, so if the slant height for the large cone is 25 centimeters, and we have from the base of the cone to the circle, where the circle is drawn there for the smaller cone, as 10 centimeters, it means that we could work out the slant height there. So it's going to be the difference between 25 and 10. So 10 from 25, there's 15 centimeters. So this slant height there is 15 centimeters. Okay, so this is going to be small l. So this is 25 centimeters, and then this would be 15 centimeters. So we want to know what do we use to multiply by 25 to give us 15? Okay, that's a question you need to ask yourself. Also, we have the diameter of the large cone, and also we need to work out the diameter of the small cone. So diameter of the large compared to the diameter of the small d. Okay, so this is 20 centimeters, but we need to figure out what this should be. So we need to work out the ratio. What do we multiply by 25 to give us 15? So if we divide 25 into that, we get 0.6. Okay, 0.6. Let's use a calculator and see what we get there. So we have 15 divided by 25. Yes, 0.6. So it means that to get from big to small, we need to multiply 20 by 0.6. What we get there is 12 centimeters. So it means that this diameter here is 12 centimeters. Okay, so now we have enough information to work out the area of the part of the cone that is not painted in gray. So it's going to be the area of the large minus the area of the small. So let's write area of large of big cone minus area of small cone. Okay, so we have the formula there for the curved surface area, which is pi times big R times big L for this one. minus the area of pi times small r times small l as well. So we have the diameter is 20 centimeters, so the radius, big R here, would be 10 centimeters. And small r there is going to be 6 centimeters. Small r should be 6 centimeters. So now we can input the values and then work out the area of the part of the cone that is not painted in gray. So we're going to have pi times r times l. So we're going to have pi times 10 times 25 minus pi times 6 for the small radius times 15 for the small length. So what we have there, we can just write it up here, go up here, and we write that. So what we're going to have is 250 pi minus 90 pi. And that gives us 160 pi centimeters square. So that would be the area of the cone that is not painted in gray. So here ends question 18.